In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Hostinger IP address. This can be particularly useful if you're setting up your domain's DNS settings or troubleshooting connectivity issues. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as it can be. First, we'll need to navigate to Hostinger. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Most likely, it's https://hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the Hostinger login page. Ensure you log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. This is the gateway to accessing all your hosting services. Once you enter your details, click on the login button and you should be inside your Hostinger account. Now that you're in, we need to head over to the section where your websites are managed. Look for a tab or a section named Websites. It's typically located at the top or among the main menu items. Click there to gather all the websites associated with your account. This is your central hub for managing all the domains and hosting plans you have under Hostinger. Next, let's find the dashboard. The dashboard is your control room, offering a snapshot of all essential hosting aspects. From the Websites section, simply select the website you are interested in. Once you've clicked the site, you should see an option to go to the dashboard. Click on it. This will bring you to the overview page of your hosting service, where various options and settings are laid out. Keep in mind, some interface layouts may vary, but essentially you're looking for a link that takes you to the settings for your specific domain. Commonly, you might see a banner, tile, or menu item that provides this navigation. Now, with the dashboard open, look out for where it describes your active hosting plans. You'll likely see a display of your hosting plans listed on this page, each associated with a domain. Choose the hosting plan that corresponds to the website you're dealing with. Click on it, and advanced options related to this specific plan will unveil. When you're in the correct hosting plan area, an integral part is the Plan Details section. Searching through options, you want to find and click on Plan Details. This part of the interface is critical because it will list the essential configurations and specifications of your hosting account, including where we can find that crucial IP address. Once you're in there, amongst details like plan type and storage, you will spot the IP address needed. That's it! You've successfully found the IP address associated with your Hostinger account using just your account and the Hostinger dashboard. Remember, knowing how to access these details can often help in setup processes and troubleshooting common networking issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your online services.